abazali abahluphi into abayaziyo noma sebefike ebandleni elizobaphakamisa balokhu bathi nangangikhonza khona umbuzo uthi waphumelana asikwazi ukuthi sithi sesinawe la kuloko sixoxela izinto zala wawusonta khona wena ophume wezakithi akusiyithi size la wawukhona khona and asikwazi ukwenza la izinto zala waphuma khona ngoba singenza izinto zala waphuma khona uzophuma wena makwenza izinto zala wawukhona waphuma masingazenza la kusho ukuthi nala uzophuma abazalwane babanjezelwa ukuthi ingqondo yabo ithi bayazi kanti mawuze endlini kaNkulunkulu uzokwakhiwa through the anointing upon this man of God. But look how intelligent he is. He knows what I don't carry all the tools. Then he says, I'm going to set aside a week. During this week, I'm going to call the giants, and the giants will come with that which I don't have to endorse that which I am doing. Ukuze abantu bangabulawa indlala ngenxa yento engingenayo kanti bakhona abafowethu nobaba bami abanayo. La kuphumela inike la ngoba into ifunayo la iyeza